We had big plans to go to Learn Croissant, which if you're not from Melbourne you may not know it, but it's just like the place that makes the best croissants ever. I actually think they're better than croissants in Paris, which is a big statement, I know. So we're here and we're parked, but there is a massive queue, so it looks like we're not the only ones that came up with this great idea. I think it's not worth queuing. I feel like we're going to be queuing for a while.
It might look long because of the distance between everyone.
And it's like raining and gross outside. So we're going to queue.
Have a look. I want to eat it.
Okay.
Hi, how you going? Could I get one traditional and one chocolate? And also a latte. Yep. Yes, regular size with half sugar. Yep. And a strong latte as well. Awesome, thank you. Step 1, drip tray.
I didn't realise the camera was there. Drip tray. Look at
Drip
that
tray.
goodness. Yeah, you take that, and I'm gonna use the bag as my tray.
You got
Look at this, it's so
the
like
plain one.
glazed.
Oh.
It's your one.
No, we've got one chocolate.
Oh, is that chocolate?
This is a chocolate one.
Okay, yeah, we'll half. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, if you want.
Oh, were you not happy to do that?
Yeah, happy to do anything, darling. You need to hear the crunch.
Mmm.
I was gonna say we didn't wash our hands, but
I didn't touch anything.
We didn't touch anything, yeah.
Besides this bag that I'm using to eat from. It felt like a waste to line up for that long and only get 2 croissants. Everyone else was buying so many. So today is all about queuing. You need to queue to get into Kmart. Check it out. We're in.
How does it feel? For you?
Feels like real life, normal life again. This is my first time being in a store for, what, 2 months? Over 2 months? This is a big moment for me. We needed to go to Kmart to return something faulty, and I need to get underwear socks. I'm so tempted to get this. How cute is this? It looks so comfortable, but I can't afford it right now, so I'm walking away. I need to walk away from this section. More queuing. So we just walked past Uniqlo and they're checking temperature, which I'll just say to Phil that this just feels so surreal that this is life now. Like, it's so normal to queue up to go into a store, you know, use hand sanitizer, get your temperature checked. It's all just part of our normal life now. It's quite surreal. Hey guys, once again I am baking this weekend. So today I'm going to make green tea matcha cookies, and for this particular recipe you actually need to have the dough sitting overnight or for a couple of hours in the fridge, and you bake it the next day. So I'm going to do part 1 today and bake it tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about these. I've never made matcha cookies before. I don't know if I've ever even tasted matcha cookies before, but I do love matcha. We'll link the recipe down below, but I have all my ingredients ready. I've got my flour, icing sugar, I have my matcha. So this was sent to me by the Matcha Reserve quite a while ago actually, maybe like over a year ago, with an entire matcha tea set, and I thought I would use this to make the cookies. I've got some white chocolate chips, eggs, and some butter, some salt, and I'm ready to go. On weekends we have takeaway, and there's so much, it's in a box this time. What do we have? What did you get?
You got some rice chopped noodles.
Yes.
So, we need some chopsticks.
So we have Vietnamese for dinner tonight. And what did you get?
I got the BBH.
Oh, you got BBH. And we have some banana rice dessert thing. Which we're not sure if this is going to be good because we haven't tried it before, but we're willing to give it a go. Yes, where's the curry puffs? Oh yeah, so we also got curry puffs because we've been watching MasterChef and Po made curry puffs and they looked great.
Yeah, I got spring rolls because
Oh, wow.
these noodle portions are tiny.
Here's our first line. I never eat spring rolls with the lettuce and herbs. I just eat the spring rolls like that.
So who eats it with lettuce and herbs the proper way?
Yeah, I know, but you know, why waste space on lettuce when you can just eat?
No, the flavour together is much better than just the spring rolls.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, and for the first time since lockdown, we are not having an acai bowl. No acai bowl this weekend. So instead, we're going to have a mango smoothie. Just like felt like having a mango smoothie. So I have some frozen mango. Unfortunately, it's not mango season, but fortunately, we do have frozen mango. I have one fresh banana. It is supposed to be frozen, but I realized we only had one frozen banana left. So I'm gonna chuck it in with some milk, and that will be our breakfast. Made it too thick. I did follow a recipe, so I'm not sure why it came out so thick, although it is melting. Let's see. Tastes good. Hey guys, so we just finished our church service, and my auntie actually made us some Chinese dish, and she was going to come and drop it off, but we're now all having lunch together. So my auntie and grandpa are coming over, and then because my sister and brother-in-law live really close by, we're all going to have lunch. So Phil is making rice. I don't know if we've ever made this much rice before.
Don't think so. Oh, yeah. Maybe when we have like parties. So we're mixing
white with brown. When Phil and I have rice, we just have brown rice. But I don't know if my grandpa and auntie like brown rice, so we're mixing the two. And this is the matcha cookie dough from last night, and it's actually set like quite hard, but the base of it is flat. And I don't think I can actually round that out. Like it's like a block. So I'm gonna chop this up and bake it so it's perfect that they're coming over. I can distribute the cookies. Hopefully they taste good.
This is our rice cooker. We grew up with one of these Tiger rice cookers. So when we first moved out, who was it? One of our parents was saying, you might as well get the big, huge one since you're getting one. So this one, I think you can make up to 10 cups of rice.
Yeah, it was my mum that made us buy the big one. And we only ever make 1 cup.
Sells juice.
The measurement doesn't even go 1 cup.
No, so this one starts from 3 cups, and whenever we cook rice, we cook 1 cup at a time.
Vlog here. I don't know if this vlog was really that long. I feel like it's going to be quite a short one, but in the next video I'm actually thinking about having Phil and I look through our old text messages from our old phones, as well as gifts that we gave each other, cards that we gave each other, you know, years ago. We have been together for 10 years. I think it's going to be very cringeworthy, very funny. So let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in us filming that kind of video rather than a vlog for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any other suggestions for videos, please let us know down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.